Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install rare and zip file packing or unpacking app on your Motorola Moto G82 5G. So in order to do this, we need to open our Google Play Store. From here, click on the search pool and enter RAR. Here, click the search button, select this app and install it. After the process is finished, we'll be able to open our app and we'll need to grant it all file access. So here, locate rare app, allow access to manage all files. Now we can go back. Here, dismiss this notification and our app will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.